Inline slot die coding can save time and open features for interface control that are not normally possible. Hi, my name is Roar, and in this video I'll give a short introduction to roll-to-roll inline slot die coding and how a modular laboratory roll-to-roll coder brings that capability into the lab. In roll-to-roll inline processing, a flexible web, film, foil, paper or fabric move continuously from a supply row through a series of stations like slot die coding, drying, curing, laminating, cutting, trimming or inspection before being rewound on a take-up roll. Several processes are thus being carried out in a single run. In a laboratory or pilot setting, a modular roll-to-roll coder allows for reproducing that continuous inline workflow in a compact footprint. The modular designs allows for easy customization where only the modular components needed are mounted in the order required for a specific run. The most common use of inline slot die coding is simply to take two or more coding processes that are normally performed in separate steps and carrying everything out as a single process. A typical process would here be 1. Coating of the first layer, 2. Intermediate drying, where the coat dries or gels into a controlled state, 3. Coating of a second wet layer on top of the first one, and maybe 4. A final drying. This produces well-defined interfaces and lets each layer be optimized independently. It is also possible to carry out multiple inline slot die coding without intermediate drying. Inline wet and wet or wet on wet slot die coding is performed with slot die coding station in close succession, so a second wet film is applied before the first one dries. Wet and wet refers to coating of two different layers next to each other with or without boundary mixing, and in wet on wet, as the name implies, a new wet layer is coating on top of an already existing layer. Such coating techniques enables formation of special features like graded interfaces, blended films and multi-layer stacks with special properties, and key control parameters are here factors like slot die head spacing, web speed, formulation, rheology, viscosities and solvent compatibility. Generally, in order to use roll-to-roll inline slot die coding efficiently, it's important to coordinate the flow rates, die distance, web tension and web speeds to match every sub-process. Match chemistries, solvent management and drying are also essential parameters to ensure good layer qualities and high yields. To learn more, explore our website, or if needed, contact us for help evaluating a specific application of a modular roll-to-roll coder. Thank you so much for watching.